This tutorial explains how to fix the error message object of type closure is not subsettable in the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this tutorial, I'll show an example on how to reproduce and how to fix this error message in R. And in the tutorial, I'm using the ncol function to show this. So the ncol function is a function that can be used to return the number of columns of a data set. However, functions in the R programming language should be used with round parentheses. So if you run line 2 of the code, in which we are using square brackets with the ncol function, the error message error in ncol1 object of type closure is not subsettable is returned. And the reason for that is that functions cannot be subsetted, but functions can only be applied to data objects or, depending on the functions, to other types of objects. So for instance, the ncol function could be applied to a data set, for example to the iris data set. So if you run line 4 of the code, the ncol function returns a valid output and the error message object of type closure is not subsettable is not returned anymore. So every time that you are facing this error message, you would have to check if you are using square brackets at some point instead of round parentheses. Similar to the error message object of type closure is not subsettable, there occur other error messages when we use different functions. So for instance, in line 6 of the code, I'm trying to subset the sum function, and if you run this line of code, the error message object of type built-in is not subsettable is returned. And in line 8 of the code, I'm trying to subset the if statement, and in this case, the error message object of type special is not subsettable is returned. So depending on the function that you are using and depending on the way how you are misspecifying the square brackets, a different error message is returned. However, as you have seen in this tutorial, there are many different situations in which this error message can appear. And in case this tutorial has not helped to solve your specific problem yet, you may leave a comment in the description of this video and I'll try my best to help you to solve this problem in your specific situation. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.